Temperatures at 3 o'clock should be right around 76 degrees, holding pretty steady during the game, and then by 7 o'clock, still 72. So very nice summer-like day. Whether you're going to the game or you're going to do some work in the yard, it is going to be quite a Saturday. There's a cold front right here coming through central Ohio. It's kind of almost right along I-71 at this point. So from Cleveland to Cincinnati, not a lot of rain along this one. It's mainly just going to be some on and off cloud cover, and you can see some of that showing up on tower cam right now. Some of these high clouds that are out there at the moment, not getting in the way of the sunshine too much. At the airport, it's still 81 degrees and no breeze. Dew point's right around 49, so the air itself is very dry. Your Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions in Athens at 83, but Kenton and Bucyrus down to 76, Bellefontaine at 75. There is some slightly cooler air that will come in behind that front. Overnight tonight, we'll drop to 55 in Columbus. We'll be partly cloudy to start with, and then we'll do some clearing after that. Here's your Saturday. We have high pressure kind of centered over Detroit. That is going to keep bringing this breeze out of the east and northeast for the first part of the day. So we will have dry conditions and plenty of sunshine. And if you're standing in the direct sun or at the shoe sitting in the direct sun, it's going to feel pretty warm out there. So prepare for that. By Saturday evening, the high starts to move a little farther off to the east. And that's making way for a cold front that's going to move in here. So first thing on Sunday, and this is 5 a.m., look how the wind has already changed by then. It's coming out of the south. That is going to help warm us up significantly during the day on Sunday. Temperatures are going to climb into the lower 80s for the day on Sunday. And then another cold front begins to move through right there. That one is more likely to generate some scattered showers for the afternoon and evening. It's not going to be widespread, and it'll happen quickly. But during the later part of the evening, some of those may develop a little more in southeastern Ohio, because by then they'll be able to use some of the heat of the day. That front will bring in some much cooler air, and you'll notice the difference next week. Tomorrow, 55 degrees in the morning, getting into the 70s during the afternoon, 76 degrees while you're working in the backyard. Should be a beautiful afternoon. Then there's that chance for a few showers on Sunday. Sunday's high climbing back into the 80s. After that, look at this much cooler air settling in. We'll be in the 60s for highs on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, with overnight lows next week in the 40s.